Hello everybody, welcome to Paper Squishy Week. In today's video I wanted to show you how I made this Galaxy Pat Pat Zoo sheep. So to start off with, you'll want to obviously draw out the rough shape of the little sheep, and to do this I did this in a dark blue pen. I then went ahead and added some purple pen and some pink pen and some more light blue, and just kind of made a rough kind of like almost camouflage kind of pattern all over the sheep's body. Once I had this all coloured in, I then went ahead on the other side of the white paper and just did out two little colour splodges, one purple and blue and one purple and pink. This was just to add to the galaxy effect later on once we use the water. So next I went ahead with a pinky beigey colour and drew out the little Pat Pat sheep's little face, and then I went ahead and used the same colour and just kind of made two little splotches again like before. Once these bits were fully drawn, I cut out the galaxy pieces, and what I then did was kind of painted them with water. I made a galaxy squishy before, which was actually a galaxy avocado, and I did this in the exact same way. But what you want to do is take some water on your paintbrush and just add it until the colours kind of blend together. This will help you have a more galaxy type effect rather than just kind of squiggles on the paper. What you then want to do is do this to both the Pat Pat Zoo shape and then also the like little blodges that you put on the side. You'll then want to leave this completely dry. Once dried, you'll then want to take a brown felt tip like I did here and just draw on the little horns. I actually took a black Sharpie pen to kind of add a little bit more detail so you could kind of tell what these little brown splodges were. And then what I did was I drew out two little squares on the bottom of the little sheep to make its feet. Going back to the beige little face part that we made before, I used my black Sharpie pen and just drew out the little sheep's face. I also then cut out little hands from the little two splodges that we made before also. I cut all the whites off this and also cut out the face, and then once I had that, I then taped the little kind of hand pieces to the two little galaxy splodges. I then cut these out into the shape of the Pat Pat Zoo sheep's arms. So before taping down the arms onto the little sheep, I actually went in with my white Posca pen to add some dots and little stars and stuff like that to add like to the galaxy detail, as I feel like this really makes the galaxy kind of effect pop. What I then did was tape the little arms into place, and I then taped the face into place also. I then went ahead and covered the whole of the sheep in clear sticky tape, and I just kind of covered the whole of it and then just went ahead and just roughly cut out the shape. What I then did was tape this down onto another white piece of paper, and I just taped round all of the edges so that I was left with kind of like a packet, obviously with a Pat Pat Zoo sheep on the front. You want to leave one opening completely open so that you're able to stuff up your sheep with whatever stuffing that you want to use. So for the stuffing, I wanted to try something a tiny bit different this time, and what I did was I took a plastic bag and I just stuffed it with toy stuffing. What I then did was kind of folded it in on itself, kind of like what I did with my Game Boy squishy, and what you want to do is just take this down into place. You'll then want to take your Pat Pat Zoo sheep like shell, and you just kind of want to squish this up in your hand so that you can push it right into the little sheep. You'll want to just push it all the way in until it's fully stuffed, and then you'll just want to tape up the opening. This can be a little bit fiddly as it is a bit like kind of wide, but it can be done if your bag is folded right to the shape of the size of the little sheep. Like I said, you just want to tape up the opening and then your squishy is complete. Now I'm super happy with how this squishy turned out. It's not very slow rising due to the stuffing that I kind of put in, but you could also stuff this with foam if you have it, toy stuffing without the bag, just the bag, toilet roll, anything like that that you have hanging around. You can stuff it with whatever you want to give a different kind of slow risingness or squishiness. Now, I absolutely love this design. I'm super happy with it. I'm happy that I went for a galaxy one because I have seen a few of these around from about 3 or 4 other YouTubers. So yeah, I'm really happy I tried it with kind of a different design. So I hope you enjoyed this video and hopefully you're enjoying Paper Squishy Week so far, and I'll be back tomorrow with another video. Bye!